Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by plugging the USB network adapter into the laptop. Choose the correct port, and if required, a USB-C to USB-A dongle. Once connected, make sure Windows or Mac OS recognizes a new device and prompt appears. If not, install vendor drivers from the manufacturer or download them on another phone, then transfer via USB. You do this because drivers expose the network interface to the OS, enabling DHCP or static addressing. Without drivers, the adapter won't function. Once the OS recognizes the adapter, open Network Settings and locate the new Ethernet or USB network interface. You should enable it, then select Automatic IP via DHCP unless your network requires a static IP. If static, enter IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS values exactly. Make sure the adapter has higher priority than other interfaces when you need it to be primary. If using shared internet from a phone, enable tethering on the phone and confirm the laptop receives an IP. Finish by testing connectivity, ping 8 or load a website to confirm DNS and routing. Once done, verify speeds if you need performance. If you see no connection, make sure the adapter LED indicates link, reset it, try another USB port, and reinstall drivers. Sometimes older drivers block negotiation. Also, disable Wi-Fi temporarily to force the USB interface. A key troubleshooting tip: check Device Manager or System logs for driver conflicts and update adapter firmware when available to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.